Welcome back to another video. Today, we will showcase the competitor's Shopify website new product monitor template and quickly look at what it does. You can find it on the marketplace. If you're stuck, I have a video about it. You only need the website link and the pagination type. We are adding the link and products into a Google Sheet, and we read from it. The pagination type is important, as we need it to roam around the site. We have 3 types: scroll loading, the load more button, and page numbers. For example, this website is a page number type, but this one has a load more button. When you define the type, we are ready to go. Next input is about the total data. After we define, the agent is simply going to the link, and we will extract the product data using a loop until we extract the data we need. Inside the loop, we define how to navigate, and we use the pagination type we defined earlier. As always, we have full guidance in the n8n template you can use when it's needed. The overall process is simple. We get data from a Google Sheet and send each item into a loop. The next section is a little new compared to the last workflows. This time, we are creating the sheet ourselves before starting. Then, we simply use the browser rack nodes. You might not see it because it's from a community node. We have the link in the description. We give it the link and pagination. Then, we send the task ID from the first node to the second one. Also, don't forget to turn on the wait for task to finish option. The code node will separate each item. The next part is a little tricky. We first get the stored data from the Google Sheet. In the bottom line, we append the new data and we'll get the data again. Then, we use both sets of data to compare. The code node's job is to compare both data sets. And if we find a new item, we send an alert. Otherwise, we run the loop for the next site. Also, don't forget to add credentials for BrowserAct, Slack, and Google Sheets. The stored data will look like this. As you can see, we have a sheet for each product name, and it is ready to use in other workflows. Thank you all for watching. See you again.